Then one thing very obvious, the ecology problem, the global warming, these are so important. This is not a question of one or two nations or one or two continents. This is a question of whole 7 billion human beings' future. They are concerned. So problem, I think the concerned people short-sighted and look their own
interest,
immediate sort of interest. Even they may have some sort of the awareness. The long-term consequences. But then still, as someone mentioned,
pointed out,
it doesn't matter. This is something in future.
Far away.
I'm concerned now, mainly dollar. So here, my view is, I always telling people, the sense of concern of 7 billion human beings on the basis of sort of concept or sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings and social animal. Long term, my own interest related with rest of the world. So humanity happy, world generally, including ecology, happy, then I got maximum benefit. If world faces some problem, no person can escape. So I'm simply one, a student of Buddhist thought, and we emphasize altruism. And altruism with action-oriented, oriented.
Altruism that must be translated into action.
So the motivation is, I feel, the most important. The proper motivation develop awareness, very important. So these people, experts of clear presentation, really immense help to understand the reality and also understand consequences.